In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer: one-handed mode only works if you are using gesture navigation. So make sure gestures are on before going into settings. Then scroll to click on Accessibility and Convenience. Now scroll again, this time to hit one-handed mode, and tap on gray switcher to activate it. As you can see, my switcher is blue, which means that one-handed mode is on. Now to use it, follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!